This is the Frito-Lay snack box of the 40 count of the Doritos tortilla chips. You get 40 1-ounce bags right here. Really highly recommend these. We've been buying these for a long time. We're a repeat buyer of them. We use these for our kids' school lunches, for sports and things like that. It's a great grab-and-go snack. We always have our pantry stocked up with these. Again, you get 40 of these in here. This is what the box looks like that it comes in. Just comes in a cardboard box like this. They just put 40 of them in here right from Frito-Lay. And then, so if you're familiar with Doritos, these are the nacho cheese ones. They do come in other flavors, but our kids really like just the nacho cheese, the plain ones. These are really great. They always have a decent expiration date on them, so the 40 of them aren't going to like expire really quick. Never any issues with that. They're always like freshly packed and things like that. No cracked chips or anything, but we pick these up over and over again. So if you're looking for a 40 count for, like I said, school lunches, maybe for a party, for whatever you're looking for, highly recommend picking up this Frito-Lay snack box. Definitely recommend it.